Hey guys, I hope your days are going well. In my tour of my apartment, I showed you my Infinity LED coffee table that I built. It utilizes specific laws of physics to create an optical illusion of a nearly infinite tunnel or hole of rings of LED lights. In this video, I want to show you exactly how it works. Here's a basic model of what the Infinity LED coffee table looks like on the inside. On the bottom, facing upwards, we have a regular mirror. On the top, we have a one-way mirror or some kind of material that will simulate the effect that a one-way mirror gives. And then, of course, we have the LED light. Now, the LED light gives off light in either direction, in all directions. Some of this light is reflected by the regular mirror, and most of this will be reflected. The mirror is likely not a perfect mirror, so some of it will be absorbed, but most of it will be reflected. But when it comes up to the one-way mirror, some of this actually exits, and some of it is reflected again. And so eventually we have a bouncing around of this light inside that, when finally perceived by our eyes, makes it look as though there's several layers of LED lights going down. And this is what creates this almost infinite tunnel kind of effect. And this is made much better if you have a very good high quality mirror and a very good one-way mirror. Now, for this coffee table that I built, I only used solar film that allows sunlight to pass through, and it is reflective on the inside. So I didn't get a one-way mirror for this. I only used plexiglass and that solar film, and it accomplishes the same purpose, and for what I was doing, it was good enough for me. But if you wanted to spend some more money and get a one-way mirror, you could do that, and the effect would be made even better than what you see in the video. Understanding how this works opens up a world of possibilities, as any shape can be created as long as this basic model remains constant. There are endless opportunities to create high-quality furniture and other works of art utilizing this optical illusion. The choice is yours. With that being said, after this video ends and you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment, go build something of your own. I hope you all have enjoyed. Have a great day, and God bless you.